How to make crypto investments in AxeFinance. By searching www.axefinance.in, launch the official website of AxeFinance. Log into your registered AxeFinance account by providing the username and password. On top right corner, change currencies from INR to USD. Under the Earnings section, click on the Make a New Investment. Now choose your plan, that is monthly or yearly. Enter your investment amount in USDT. Under Below section, choose your cryptocurrency, that is Bitcoin, USDT, TRC20 or BNB. Once you choose the currency, click on the Deposit option. Now you can deposit the funds to AxeFinance by scanning the QR code shown on the screen or simply by copying the wallet address from below. Before initiating the payment, make sure you read all the terms and conditions. Once you confirm the wallet address and details, initiate the payment. Now you can find your investment amount under your portfolio. For more information, visit AxeFinance official website.